Okay, y'all, I'm fixing to share like the easiest salad recipe that you can ever have, and it's my Aunt Peggy's cucumber, onion, and tomato salad. And she's actually here with me now in this quarantine that we're going through. But her back is so bad that she is not able to walk in here into the kitchen. I said, don't you, she was telling me, and I said, don't you want to just come in here and make it? She said, honey, my back hurts too bad. She said, I just can't. But she said, do save your dressing though, because I want to see if it's as good as what I make. So, like I said, it's super simple. I have started by taking some elephant garlic, y'all. I love elephant garlic. And it's like the big heads of garlic. To me, it's so good, sliced thin, and put it on top of your asparagus or green beans if you cook in an al dente green bean. It's delicious. So let me see if I can round up these little pieces of garlic and get them in this little jar. These little jars, these little salad dressing jars we had at the store. I don't know if we still carry them, but it's so handy. All right, hush boys. Hush boys and girls. I mean, they'll bark it. If a leaf falls outside, they're gonna be talking about it. All right, so there's our garlic. And Aunt Peggy said that she likes to use a little bit more olive oil than she does vinegar. So she said like 2 parts of olive oil to 1 part of vinegar. So I guess I can do kind of as much as I want. You know, I'm not gonna need a whole bunch. What is this? Oh, that's a little bit more oil that Teresa prepped up for me. So that's gonna go in there. And I'm gonna put a little sugar, but Aunt Peggy said just like a pinch. So if I could pinch, that would probably be my pinch. Hey, Michael Grover. Hey, Fatio. Michael just got in from work.
The wind messed my hair.
He said the wind messed his hair up. You know, I said by the time this is over, y'all, we're gonna have this horrible hair that's half gray, half long and stringy, and our toenails are gonna look like claws, and our fingernails look awful. But Michael and I got so tickled yesterday because his hair's getting so long. He said, just call me Fabio. And I said, call you Fabio? And he got so tickled. He said, no, June. I said Fabio. So look at his hair, Eddie. Flip your hair around, Michael. Flip your hair. Show him how pretty your hair is. How was work today?
It was good, but it was windy. I asked the captain to my hat came off. I said, that wind messed my hair all up.
All right, y'all. I just shot a short show. That ain't easy to say. I just shot a short show. That's dangerous for me to say that. But I just shared with everybody how to make biscuits. So they are out of the oven now. We're through with the biscuits. And we're on to our Aunt Peggy's salad. And I will tell you this, everybody expects to have this on the table every day, almost during the summer when we're cooking. You know, they just expect this salad to go along with the fresh corn and fresh peas and fresh okra. What are you looking for, Mikey? That's a little bit of apple cider vinegar too. Teresa got out for me, so I'm gonna use that. And now I'm gonna put a little salt. And this would have been much better, y'all, if I could have made this dressing earlier. Because it's one of those that the longer it sits and marinates with that elephant garlic, the better it's gonna be. All right, so I've got to get my Aunt Peggy's taste approval on this. Gosh, that looks like poppy seed dressing, doesn't it? With the black pepper. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. So it's windy out, Michael. Is it getting cooler?
No.
Still hot as blue blazes.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna taste this?
Nope.
This is delicious. All right. So that was 2 parts olive oil, y'all. 1 part white vinegar. A pinch of sugar. A pinch of salt and pepper. So now we're just gonna mix this all together. And Teresa prepped my cucumbers. Now we've been together a long time and she knows how I like my cucumbers prepped. I like to take a peeler and not peel them all, because I like some of the green left on it because the green is so pretty. And I also like to take a fork and run it down the cucumber all the way around it. And so then it kind of looks like a flower. That's pretty too. So we got our cucumbers, and you can make as much or as little as this. And it'll stay in the refrigerator a couple of days. Of course, your cucumbers will start to be getting a little soft on you. All right, and we're using Vidalia onions. And we're using cherry tomatoes. Okie doke. This is unbelievably quick and simple. And look how pretty. Look at the colors, aren't they beautiful?
It's gorgeous.
Yes, I mean, you know, I'm so convinced that less is more. You know, do you?
Yes.
Because I think it's some of the simpler things. Well, now, why can't I get that lid back on there? There. I'm gonna give it another shake, because what you fixing, Michael?
A salad.
Michael's dieting, y'all. Oh, heck, what the heck? Oh, she told me to save her some of that, and I forgot. Well, she'll just have to taste it on the vegetables.
You told her that was her lunch.
Yeah, and I love that elephant garlic. I can see it in there. Now, I think all I'm gonna do now is just rough chop a little parsley, and I can tell you right now, Aunt Peggy would never buy parsley from the grocery store. Because she's definitely a less is more girl. Isn't she?
Yes.
She says she's frugal, but she's cheap.
She says what, Michael?
She says she's frugal, but she's cheap.
Oh, you're saying she's cheap.
Yeah.
And she says she's frugal.
Right.
Well, you know, I can be frugal too on some things. I know I probably drive people crazy the way I wipe my tinfoil and reuse it. I don't reuse my paper towels though.
The plastic cups kills me.
Oh, the plastic cups. Yes, I buy disposable cups, but then I wash them. Because they're expensive and they're good. So now look at this. That amount of dressing was just perfect. Okay, there you go. Ode to my Aunt Peggy. I wish she could have come in and made this for y'all.
Can I try some?
Please. It's always been hard for me to get Michael to eat cucumbers. So I'm so happy to see you eat. Look at that, how beautiful is that? You want some more?
Perfect.
Yay.
Thank you.
Can't get no better than perfect.
I've done it a couple of times,
You have. When?
but oh, you were there.
I was?
Yes. Yes, you were.
Okay, so that's it. You're gonna have to try that this summer when you're cooking all those good old fresh vegetables. Nothing any better. Oh, and guess what? It ain't fattening. I'll see y'all next time. Love and best dishes to you.